B.
Alright, this is letter A, Sammy. This is the only boy. And his current weight is 12.1 ounces. This is letter B, Time.
What time is it?
And her current weight is 14.5 ounces. This is C, which is Rosemary. She is currently 14.4 ounces. This is Paprika, D, and her current weight is 15.7 ounces. This is E, Sassafras, and her current weight is 15.7 ounces. F, which is Vanilla, and as of right now, it's the biggest. She's the biggest at 16.9. This is Saffron. She is letter G, and she is currently 12.2 ounces. This is Sage, and she is currently 12.3 ounces, and she is letter H. This is Parsley. She is letter I, and her current weight is 16.3. Okay, this is Ginger. She is letter J, and she is currently 16.7 ounces. This is Sesame, and she is letter K, the last one, and she is currently 16.6 ounces.